Hey folks, it's Mr. DC with another math tutorial video for you. Today we're going to look at transformations and we're going to look at a translation, or what we call a slide, around the Cartesian plane. Just keep in mind that when we translate, it keeps the same shape. It doesn't flip or rotate or grow or shrink. So in order to do a translation, what we're tasked to do is we are going to be moving our shape 9 units to the right and 4 units down. And the way we do that is we look at individual points. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at point D right here and say, all right, let's move it 9 spots to the right and 4 down. So let's do that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we go here, and then we also have to go 4 units down. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we land right there. Okay, so when we make sure I erase the right things here, there we go. Whoops, let's put that 4 back there. That'll help us. All right, so this is going to be point D. Now, since we moved it, we're going to call it D prime to say, all right, that's where our new shape is going to end up. So now let's do it again. This time we're going to do it with point C. So point C, we're going to move 9 units right and 4 units down. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to land right on the x-axis there at 6, 0. So let's get rid of those lines. And we're going to put it right there. Okay, and then keep in mind that we are going to use C prime to put that in place. And we can do the other thing, the same thing for A and B. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 across and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we go. That's going to be A prime. And for B, we'll do the same thing. Now, one trick we could use is that if I look at point C and look at where point B is, I can say, well, if I start at point C, move 1 to the left, and then move up 3 spots, I'll find point B. So let's try that here. If I go from point C, move over 1, and go up 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to be right here. So that'll be B prime for us. And from here, I can connect the lines. So let's see if we can do this properly. So we're going to move that over, connect it together, do it here, here, and here. And I can also write down the points that they've landed on. So for A prime, we're at 1 and 1. For B prime, we're at 5 and 3. Remember, the x-coordinate goes first. C prime is now 6 and 0. And D prime is at 4 and -2. Now, let's say we wanted to come up with a general rule. Well, let's say we say, so the way we do that is we say xy maps onto, well, what did we have to do to the x-coordinate to move it? We had to add 9 to it. So we're going to say our rule is that x plus 9 will give me my new point. Same thing goes for y. For y, I had to move 4 units down. So remember, when we go down, we're subtracting. So here we go. So y minus 4. So that means that if I find one of the points, I can just apply x plus 9 and y minus 4 to get it. That's all there is on translations.